Guys, welcome back to 80s Heart Paradise. Today, we're checking out Uncle Mark's 1950 Chevrolet Hot Rod. That's right, I have not checked this car out before. It's a good looking one. It's nice out today, so let's get to checking out this car today. Like I mentioned here today, we're checking out Uncle Mark's 50 Chevy. But I have a side note here. This is an old Dodge motor. I'm not sure what it actually goes to. It could be fixed with some performance parts, but I know it was probably involved with the flood of 1990. Now this is Uncle Mark's 50 Chevy. It's all steel body. It's got pretty good tires. I have a brand new headlamp here for you guys. That's right, it's a lot better than Grandpa's. So, I noticed that's part to the 39 cockpit, but that would be August's video. So Uncle Mark's 50 Chevy is just unique because it's not suicide doors. It's suicide doors open this way and this way. Uncle Mark's 50 Chevy opens this way and this way. So why don't we check out the interior today? Because I have not checked it out. I know Grandpa tells me the interior is in my Uncle Carl's basement because the flood got to it. So everything in here is pretty much flood damaged. Now, the fun fact about this car is it is a Ford Paint Co. color. That's right. It is candy apple red. That is the odometer there. It's dusty, dirty, but I think I could make this into a good little cruiser car. The old wing windows. These are really cool, really unique. Just push them out, like pull them, push them out, pop them in. These are probably gonna need to have the door pieces, like the whole interior fixed on this one. But let's open up the back, if we can though. It's probably stuck. Yeah, okay. So the back is actually locked, but that's okay. I love this car just for the style, but I noticed it doesn't have any of the mirrors on it. That is just really weird. But it's a big old steel body car. It's beautiful, but I think we should check out what powers this car. We're gonna check out what powers Uncle Mark's 50 Chev. Grandpa has told me what it actually is. There we go. This is a 216 or 225 inline 6-cylinder. It's not a bad looking car. I probably should turn the headlamp off here. Probably did, but it's just really cool. It's got your old carburetor. This thing was involved in the flood of 1990, like I mentioned. So I could probably fit a big block or small block Chevy underneath here. I'm hoping my Uncle Mark would give this to me as a graduation present, because it would be fun just to fix this old car up and make it run and drive. Now, another cool part about this car is that it had to have front license plates back in the day. It's got just really cool headlights, everything. There's the heater. All Canadian cars, like I mentioned before in some other videos, have block heaters. Now, I think this has not a chance of running just because it was in a flood. The flood was actually so severe that it damaged a couple other vehicles here on the farm, but I think this one's the best one worth saving. If you like this episode on the 50 Chevy, it's a great old car, and I do have a decent shot of getting this running and driving in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next episode of What's Under the Hood. I'll see you guys next time.